Hello children, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all safe in your home. Have you written your homework? Have you completed your classwork? Did you study the classwork yesterday? Okay, you are a good children. Yes, you are studying every day. Yes, okay. Today we will learn about noun gender. We will learn about noun gender. Okay, already you know very well nouns. Yes, nouns. Nouns are the names of person, place, animal and things. Nouns are the names of person, place, animal and things. Now we will learn about gender. Gender means பாலினம். Genderனா என்னது? பாலினம். அதாவது male or female. Male or female. Some nouns show the difference between male and female. This is called the difference in gender. Some nouns show the difference between male and female. This is called the difference in gender. ஆனா பெண்ணா என வேறுபடுத்தி காட்டுவது அதுதான் ஜெண்டர். அதாவது ஜெண்டர். What is called genders? Some nouns show the difference between male and female. This is called the difference in gender. Do you know? Male அப்படின்னா ஆண், female அப்படின்னா பெண். Already you know very well. Yes. Is your father male or female? Is your father male or female? Yes, our father is male only. Yes or no? ஃபாதர்னா யாரு? அப்பா. அப்பாலாம் யாரு? ஆண் தானே, ஆண் தானே. இஸ் யுவர் மதர் இஸ் மேல் ஆர் ஃபீமேல்? எஸ், அவர் மதர் இஸ் ஃபீமேல். எஸ், பெண். அவர் ஃபாதர் இஸ் ஆண், அவர் மதர் இஸ் இந்த பெண். அப்படி தானே? ஸோ father refers to the male person. Yes or no? Father refers to the male person. So this gender is masculine gender. Male gender is called in the masculine gender. Female gender is called feminine gender. We have 4 types of genders. How many kinds of genders? There are 4 kinds of genders. There are 4 kinds of genders. Today we will learn about 2 genders. What are they? They are masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. Okay, masculine and feminine gender. Masculine, masculine, masculine. femine, feminine. Masculine அப்படின்னா male, feminine அப்படின்னா பெண், female. Okay, have you understood? Masculine அப்படின்னா male, feminine அப்படின்னா female. For example, look at the pictures. Boy. Is the boy male or female? Male. Yes or no? Yes. So boy is a masculine gender. Boy is a masculine gender. Look at the next picture. Is the picture boy or girl? Girl. Yes or no? Yes. So girl refers to the female person. So girl is a feminine gender. Girl is a feminine gender. Boy, girl. Boy is a masculine gender. Girl is a feminine gender. Same like this. Bears, animal also masculine and feminine. For example, cock. Cock is a masculine gender. Ken is a feminine gender. காக் அப்படின்னா சேவல் அப்படி தானே. அதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? மேல் பேர்டு. காக் இஸ் எ மேல் பேர்டு. கென் இஸ் எ ஃபீமேல் பேர்டு. கென் இஸ் எ ஃபீமேல் பேர்டு. Next example, peacock. Peacock is a male bird. So, peacock is a masculine gender. Peahen. Peahen is a female bird. So, peahen is a feminine gender. Okay, what are called masculine gender? When nouns denotes names of males, they are said to be in the masculine gender. When nouns denotes names of males, they are said to be in the masculine gender. What are called feminine gender? When nouns denotes names of females, they are said to be in the feminine gender. When nouns denotes names of females, they are said to be in the feminine gender. We have more example for masculine and feminine gender. Okay, king, queen, son, daughter, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, tiger, tigress, grandfather, grandmother, nephew, niece. Have you understood? Okay, some masculine and feminine genders. Look at the pictures. What is the first picture? Peacock. Peacock is a male bird. Yes. Peacock refers to the male bird. So, peacock is a masculine gender. Okay, look at the next picture. Peahen. Peahen refers to the female bird. Peahen refers to the female bird. So, peahen is a feminine gender. Peacock, peahen. Say all of you. Peacock, peahen. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. Peacock, peahen. On male, pen male. Look at the pictures, everybody. Horse. Horse is a masculine gender. Mare is a feminine gender. Why horse is a masculine gender? Because horse refers to the male animal. Why mare is a feminine gender? Because mare refers to the female animal. So, mare is a feminine gender. Okay, children, all of you take your English note and turn your classwork page. All of you take your English note and turn your classwork page. Take new page and write nouns, gender. Nouns, gender. N-O-U-N-S. Nouns. G-E-N-D-E-R. Gender. Polynum. The bracket you got to write polynum. Pa, Ly-nam, polynom. Nouns, gender, polynom. Question answer. First question. What are called masculine gender? Masculine gender. WHAT what? ARER CALLLED called masculine. MASCULINE masculine. Gender. GENDER gender. What are called masculine gender? Answer. When nouns denotes names of males, they are said to be in the masculine gender. WHEN when NOUNS nouns denotes. DENOTES denotes names. NAMES names. OF of males. MALES males. They are said to be. THEY they. ARER SAID said. TO true. BEB in THE the masculine. MUS CULINE masculine. Gender. GENDER gender. When nouns denotes names of males, they are said to be in the masculine gender. Example: father, boy, cock. FATHER father, BOY boy, COCK cock. Write it first. Everybody say and write. Have you written first question? Leave one line. Write the second question. What are called feminine gender? What are called feminine gender? WHAT what? ARER CALLED called feminine. FEMININE feminine. GENDER gender. What are called feminine gender? Answer. When nouns denotes names of females, they are said to be in the masculine gender. WHEN when nouns. NOUNS nouns denotes. DENOTES denotes names of. NAMES names of females. FEMALES females. They are said to be. THEY they. ARER SAID set. TO true. BEBIN THE the masculine. MUSCULINE masculine. GENDER gender. When nouns denotes names of females, they are said to be in the masculine gender. Okay, write it first. For example, mother, girl, kin. Mother, girl, kin. MOTHER mother, GIRL girl, HEN ken, father mother, boy girl, co ken. Write it fast. Okay, then third question. How many kinds of genders? How many kinds of gender? There are four kinds of genders. How many kinds of genders? There are four kinds of genders. HOW cow, MANY many, KINDS kinds, OF of genders, DENDERS genders. How many kinds of genders? Answer: there are four kinds of genders. THERE there, THERE there, ARER, FOUR kinds, KINDS kinds, OF of genders. There are four kinds of genders. Have you written? Okay, write first one masculine gender, second one feminine gender, third one common gender, fourth one is neuter gender. MUSCULINE masculine, GENDER gender. Second one feminine, FEMININE feminine, GENDER gender, feminine gender. Third one common, COMMON common, GENDER common gender. Fourth one is neuter gender, NEUTER neuter, GENDER gender, neuter gender. Let it first. After turn your homework page, write today's homework. Okay, write it first. Okay, take your homework page, write the question answer. What are called feminine gender? What are called masculine gender? That is your homework. Study the classwork, study the question answer. Okay children, have we written? Today this class is over. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you all.